Picture this. Texas, February 2021. A winter storm knocks out power for over 4 million people. Families huddle in freezing homes for days, and the power grid is more fragile than people think. Just one solar flare, cyber attack, or extreme weather event could leave millions without electricity for weeks or months. But hidden technologies are already being deployed right now that could keep homes powered when everything else fails. These are real systems, like quiet grids from Victron Energy, that harvest energy from the sky and store it for when it matters most. Some can power entire homes for up to 7 days without any grid connection. Stay with us to see how you can power your home for up to 7 days off-grid. Here's what everyone needs to know about these survival technologies that go far beyond just electricity. Imagine pulling clean drinking water straight from the air using only sunlight. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now in water-scarce regions. The world faces a growing clean water crisis. Wells are drying, rivers are polluted, and cities struggle with demand. A breakthrough technology, Source Hydro Panels, offers a surprisingly simple solution. These panels sit on rooftops like solar panels, but they create water instead of electricity. Think of them as machines that drink humid air and deliver clean, drinkable water. Here's how it works. Solar-powered fans draw in humid air. Special materials capture tiny water droplets, condensing invisible moisture into liquid water. This water then undergoes purification, becomes sterile and drinkable, stored directly in the panels. People simply turn a tap for fresh water straight from the sky. The results are impressive. Each panel produces 2.5 to 3.5 liters daily, replacing about 180 water bottles a month for an average family. They work best in humid areas, but still produce water in drier climates. Remote, off-grid communities already rely on these systems during droughts. Clinics use them for uninterrupted water, even when traditional infrastructure fails. Families who once walked miles for water now get it from their rooftops. Built to last 10 years with only annual maintenance, these panels are ideal for remote areas. Communities once plagued by water shortages now have constant supply as long as there's humidity. For emergencies, this technology is invaluable. When hurricanes or earthquakes cripple water infrastructure, these panels continue to function. During droughts, atmospheric water generation keeps flowing. The technology bypasses all typical infrastructure failures. There are no pipes to break, no treatment plants to lose power, no stuck delivery trucks. The system operates independently, drawing water from the ever-present moisture in the air. Atmospheric water generation provides complete water independence during any crisis. Families gain a personal, always available water supply, like a private well tapping into an ocean of airborne moisture. But water isn't the only resource people can create from seemingly nothing. Every piece of food waste could power a stove and heat a home for hours. Banana peels, coffee grounds, even dinner scraps hold energy most people simply discard. Billions of tons of organic matter end up in landfills yearly instead of becoming useful. Food scraps rot in dumps, releasing methane. Animal manure sits idle. All this waste could be powering homes and cooking meals, not causing pollution. Home biogas systems are compact backyard units that naturally transform waste. Think of them as a house's stomach. They use bacteria to break down organic matter without air, a process similar to how natural gas forms underground, but right in a backyard container. Here's how it works. Food scraps, animal manure, and organic waste go into sealed containers. Special bacteria consume this waste, releasing clean, burning biogas. The entire process occurs without oxygen. Keeping air out actually helps the bacteria work better. The numbers are impressive. These systems process up to 2,200 tons of waste annually, like converting a small car's worth of garbage into cooking fuel. Each system prevents over 12,000 pounds of CO2 emissions yearly by diverting organic waste from landfills. The resulting biogas burns just like natural gas and pipes directly into stoves without modification. Families can cook meals using fuel made from their own kitchen scraps. The flame burns clean and hot, perfect for any cooking need. The system also produces a valuable byproduct, nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer. This liquid gold is ideal for gardens and farms, providing essential nutrients for healthy plant growth. So, users get cooking fuel and garden fertilizer from waste they once threw away. Since 2012, families in over 100 countries have used these backyard units to cut energy costs and achieve cooking fuel self-sufficiency. Costing under $1,000, they are affordable for households and small farms. Some families haven't bought cooking gas in years. During major crises when supply chains fail, these systems become essential. Natural gas deliveries stop, propane tanks empty, but biogas systems keep producing fuel as long as organic waste is available. They ensure people can still cook, regardless of external disruptions. Biogas systems create complete energy independence while simultaneously solving waste problems. They turn garbage into power and fertilizer in one simple backyard unit. However, cooking fuel is just one aspect of true energy independence. Imagine a power grid one can't see, humming quietly, pulling endless energy straight from the sky. These systems are already here, ready to keep homes alive when the world goes dark. Many have experienced it. Storms hit, lines fall, power vanishes for days. But these smart modular grids operate regardless of external chaos. They simply keep running. Think of it like Legos for power. Systems like Victron Energy blend solar panels, batteries, and smart technology into a custom energy fortress. One can start small, then expand. A tiny cabin or an entire community can run on the same adaptable blocks. How do they work? Solar panels soak up sun, turning it into electricity. This power gets stored in massive battery banks, ready for crucial moments. Smart inverters then convert that stored power into the electricity a home uses, with monitors ensuring every watt goes where it's needed. For ultimate backup, Genverse solar generators are a game changer. They combine powerful batteries with solar panels, keeping an entire home running for up to a week off-grid. Lights stay on, food stays cold, and comfort remains, all powered cleanly and silently, without fumes or noise. The possibilities extend further. Imagine urban wind walls like Eva wind walls, discreetly generating power on city buildings, 2,000 kilowatt hours a year from one wall alone. Or solar carports, shading vehicles while producing up to 5,000 kilowatt hours annually, enough to power a home or send an EV 25,000 kilometers on pure sun. When disaster strikes and the traditional grid crumbles, these quiet systems become a lifeline. Hurricanes can rage, cyber attacks can hit, power plants can fail, but a home powered by its own sky-harvested energy remains an island of light and comfort. This is more than future technology. It's available now, offering genuine energy independence to anyone ready for it.